YouTube. We're going to do this new London grammar song called America. And before anyone gets bent out of shape, remember these people are from England, so America means something different to them. But I think this song is just about any kind of dream you have, and then sometimes you get it and it's not so great. Or you get it and you end up alone. It starts out F to A minor. Now I usually play a bar chord for F, but you can play this simplified F shape where you do the index on the B at the first fret. You can do your middle finger on the G at the second fret, and you can do your ring finger on the third fret on the D. You can play the high E, it sounds good in this. It's actually F major 7. If you want to, you can place your ring finger on the A string and put your pinky on the D string and double up those third fret notes, just to make it sound a little more full. To A minor, that's the intro. F to A minor. And then it does 2 verses. The verse kind of starts out like the introduction, A minor, F to A minor. And then F to A minor again. To G. And then it almost stops. And then it goes back to F, and she says, and you'll have America. And then a new verse begins. So it's F, A minor, A minor, G, false ending. You'll have America. And then into the chorus. And then after the second verse, it goes into the chorus. The chorus is pretty simple. It's just the F, C to G. And then she's like, but all the time, chasing America. Changes key almost with that C. And it goes back to never had a home for me. F, C, G. Repeat. Four times. Never had a home for me. Okay, and that's the chorus, and that's the whole song basically. I don't think there's any guitar solo. It's a vocal song. It's very pretty. I like the lyrics. Again, I think it's about, be careful what you wish for kind of thing. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.